Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. It is another fabulous day here with the Crave Cook. Guys, today we will be preparing barbecue chicken in oven. When I say this is delicious, this recipe, guys, you must give it a try, okay? If you're new to my channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you will not miss any of my delicious recipes. Those who are here, guys, thank you so much for your support. Without further ado, let's get started. The list of these ingredients for the barbecue will be in the description box below, along with the measurements. So first we will make our dry rub. I'm adding some dried parsley flakes, some onion and ginger powder, some chicken bouillon, some black pepper, some grill made seasoning by McCormick, some red pepper flakes, some brown sugar, and Applewood smoked barbecue seasoning by McCormick, and that is 1 pack. We will mix these dry ingredients well, make sure everything is nice and combined. Then we will set aside. So to my chicken, I would have already washed with some lime and vinegar. I will be adding some liquid smoke, some sweet soy sauce, some ginger, grated ginger, some green seasoning. If you do not, that's just fine. You can omit that. And some Dejon mustard. Now we will go in and mix everything well. Now we will add our dry rub, guys. Make sure to add this seasoning to every area of this chicken, under the skin as well. Be generous, guys, with this seasoning. Now we will just use about 3/4 of what we have in the bowl, because the rest we will leave for our glaze. Guys, I'm telling you, this barbecue will not disappoint. So now we will cover this and set aside for approximately 2 hours. The longer it actually sits in the marinade, the better the flavor. So after 2.5 hours, I would have preheated a grill pan. Now if you do not have a grill pan, you can use a regular pan, that is just fine. I did coat the bottom of the pan with 1 tablespoon of oil. And I'll be placing the chicken skin side down first, so as to achieve that beautiful caramelization and get all that nice grill marks. Look at that seasoning. Guys, this smells absolutely amazing. No telling, the flavor would be killing. So after about 4 to 5 minutes skin side down, I will go ahead and flip the chicken over. Look at those marks. Look at that caramelization. So we flip that over and let that cook for an additional 4 to 5 minutes also. So now we will make our glaze. So I'm adding about 1 cup of sweet baby ray barbecue sauce. I am adding 2 tablespoons of the dry rub, 1 tablespoon of the ginger, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and we will mix that well. After everything is nice and combined, guys, we will set that aside. Check on our chicken. Now we give it that flip, and we will coat the top of the chicken with that barbecue sauce, that super delicious barbecue sauce. Now I'll cover. I usually spray my foil paper before I cover. So after about 25 minutes, I pull out of the oven, flip the chicken, and coat again with that sauce. I'll cover and place back in the oven for an additional 25 minutes. Oh guys, the smell up in here. We will coat the chicken again, and our chicken is done. Guys, this is one amazing, delicious recipe. I am telling you, please try this one. So there you have it, guys, our juicy, fall off the bone, delicious barbecue chicken in oven. All right, the meat is so tender. The chicken has cooked all the way through. Look at that. OMG. And there you have it, guys. My beautiful chicken. Guys, if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. If you're already here, thank you again for spending the time with me. Bye-bye.